touchdown, the Philippines. Dude, you don't even know how happy I am to be out and exploring again. Kuya, maraming salamat po sa tour at sa tulong nyo. And El Nido Viajeros, when you're in Palawan, check them out. They won't disappoint. I wasn't.
The ammo you can see, then you have to press this downwards. It's loaded also.
Fly away with me, take you high, soaring.
Alright, so I finally made it to Bohol, baby. Even though this is such a quick trip, I'm really loving the fact that I can practice speaking and conversing in my native tongue. You know, it's always really nice to see family, but what I was really looking forward to the most is diving, and it's finally happening, yo. It's finally happening, dude. So yesterday we spent the day in the pool, learning how to get comfortable with the scuba equipment, learning hand signals and emergency procedures. And today we're actually gonna head out to the sea, which I'm very excited with.
Okay, and also we tried the emergency valve behind it. Okay, so yeah, you can jump when you feel you are ready. Okay, yeah, it will be smooth. Right.
That's so salty. Oh man.
Yeah, well, it's so good.
Oh yeah.
Hi.
I am great.
This is so nice.
The dive actually went so much better than I expected yesterday. I thought I was gonna panic underwater, but we actually ended up staying as long as 40 plus minutes underwater, and it was really fucking nice down there. I was hoping there would be more sun because, you know, I love extreme heat, but it's been overcast the last 2 days, and it's probably gonna stay that way today and tomorrow. Thank you so much, man.
You're welcome.
Jeez, I finally got it. Ah. After that whole thing that happened in BC, it's so nice to be able to travel again. And this trip was a perfect start to the new year. Couldn't have been any better. It's so hot. Let's see if I can find anyone to braid my hair. Salamat po. No, natural data. Pero nagaduti split ends ko gamin, so kailangan ko mat nga i-trim minsan tibok ko.
Mom, her braid, ma'am. Kasta?
Juan, okay mat data.
Kasta?
Juan.
Parang ukulele to.
Oh, yung kalili rin yan. Gusto mo mahiramin muna? Ipahiram ko muna sa'yo. Yeah? Okay. 15 minutes, balik mo ah. Look at the one he has. I would give mine, but that ukulele actually means a lot to me. Ano, nagustuhan mo?
Gustuhan ko.
Yeah?
Palit ko ng mango shake.
Gusto mo mango shake? Okay. Oh, ito oh. Kuha ka. Ibalik mo yung sukli ah. Oh, kuha ka ng mango shake.
Maganda eh.
Yeah, ang ganda nga eh.
Parang gitara.
Oo nga eh. Oh. Salamat ah. Ano? Masarap ba?
Masarap.
Ano yung mga ginagawa ng mga turista? Tinatapon lang nila yung mga basura nila dyan sa dagat.
Oh, yung mga tagalilyo nila, tinatapon nila sa dagat.
Oh, tapos yung mga beer nila. Oh.
Pagtatapon nila, yung mga selipon, mga selipin,
Oh.
doon lahat pang tapon sa mga dagat.
Oh, hindi maganda sa mga isda yun, no? Kasi kinakain ng mga isda yun.
Kung kinakain nila sa mga isla, mamatay ang mga isla.
Oo nga eh.
Brighter days is on the other side of pain. Can't be the same if you wanna see some change. Iced out chains got you acting kinda strange. Mind got corroded by the fortune and the fame. Ego so bloated, got your head on the range by the followers and looks. Movers in the crooks, beat down low. You need a ram in the bush. Can't debate, you took the bait.
Maraming salamat, Pilipinas. See you soon.